Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a Chibi Ghost. Start by drawing a couple of lines as construction guides. Draw a horizontal line and a vertical line to create a plus sign. These lines will help you place the facial features of the ghost. On the top left side of the plus sign, lightly sketch a small triangular shape for the first eye. Make the corners of the shape round. To the right, draw another small triangular shape for the other eye. When you get the sizes and positions of the eyes right, darken the shapes. Pay attention to the distance between the eyes. Use the vertical line as a guide. Inside each eye, at the top, draw a tiny circle for a highlight. High above the eye on the left, make a small mark to indicate the top of the head. The space between the eye and the mark should be about the length of two eyes. Don't draw the mark too high up or the head will be too tall. On the right side of the plus sign, make another small mark for the side of the head. Far on the left side, make another small mark for the back of the head. The distance between the eye on the left and the mark should be about the width of the plus sign. Now connect the small marks using curved lines to create the shape of the head. The shape of the head should be similar to a wide arc. Draw a long sloping line on the left side for the first part of the body. Draw this line about twice the length of the head. On the right side, draw a long vertical line for the other side of the body. Curve the line to the left slightly. On the bottom left side, draw a short sloping line for the first part of the bottom of the body. The body of the ghost is made up of floating fabric. Near the middle, draw a couple of short sloping vertical lines for a fold on the fabric. Connect the vertical lines at the bottom with a curved horizontal line. Close off the body on the right side using another horizontal line. Below the middle of the plus sign, draw a small circle for the mouth. Far down below the eye on the left, draw a curved line for the first arm. This line should be similar to an arc on its side. On the right side of the body, draw another arc for the other arm. Inside each eye, at the bottom, draw a curved line for reflected light. Lightly draw ovals under the eyes for a bit of blush. Make the edges of the body thick and dark. And that's it for the ghost. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps will be sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.